everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to sit cross-legged. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to sit with your legs crossed just like this is the video for you. Some people might think it's crazy that I'm making this video, but many people actually have trouble sitting with their legs crossed or sitting comfortably with their legs crossed. So I'll show you how to sit with your legs crossed, and then I'm going to show you how to do it comfortably so you don't experience any pain. Let's get right into the video. So essentially we're going to start like this, very simple. You're going to sit down like this, okay? Now what you want to do is choose your least dominant leg. So I am right-handed, therefore my right leg is more dominant, it's stronger, it's the one I use to kick a soccer ball and so forth. So I'm going to choose my least dominant leg, which is going to be my left leg. I'm going to bring it in like this, bring my foot up like this, and I'm going to place it underneath my right hamstring, my dominant leg hamstring, okay? That is underneath there, okay? Then I'm going to take my right foot, which is my dominant foot, I'm going to bring it like this, and I'm going to place it slightly underneath my left calf, okay? So essentially my non-dominant leg is underneath the hamstring of my dominant leg, and then my dominant leg foot is underneath sort of the calf, sort of knee area of my non-dominant leg. This will leave you sitting cross-legged or cross-legged, depending on how you want to say it. I was debating how to say it for the video, how to sit cross-legged or how to sit cross-legged. I'm not sure, but I chose kind of both, I guess, throughout the video. This will allow you to sit with your legs crossed. And in order to be comfortable, what you want to do is avoid leaning forward too much, because that's going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back. Avoid leaning back too much, because that's going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back as well. You want to sit somewhat upright. And I know that it takes a lot more core muscles to do that, but you want to do that. You want to keep your hands not too far forward, not too far back, but you want to rest them like this on your legs. If you hold them in the air, you're going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back. If you lean forward, you're going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back. If you lean back, you're going to put a lot of pressure on your lower back. So you want to just rest them like this in sort of a neutral position, okay? And that's basically it. You're sitting now with your legs crossed. Your posture of sitting upright and your hands resting like this should keep you in a relatively comfortable position. You also want to make sure you relax your legs. If you're trying to hold your legs up like this, it's going to make you uncomfortable. Just relax your legs. Let them relax on each other. That's why your dominant leg is resting on top of your non-dominant foot, and your non-dominant leg, your non-dominant knee, is resting on top of your dominant foot. They're tucked under one another. This one is tucked under the hamstring, this one is tucked under the calf knee area, but they're both tucked under so that you can rest them. That's it. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.